what's up and welcome back to ByStephieNics. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys some cute, easy hairstyles, but first, I have a confession. It pains me to say this, you guys, but I think I'm officially over the messy bun. I know. I mean, it had its moment, but with this quarantine, just day after day, messy bun after messy bun, I'm done. I'm ready for something cuter. With the weather finally getting warmer and some of us finally being allowed to leave our houses, not me yet, but like soon. I just felt like it was the perfect time to give you some inspo for that post-lockdown glow up, and that is a phrase I never thought I would say, but here we are. So without further ado, let's get right into the looks. Here are some cute, easy, low effort hairstyles for spring and summer. Let's do it. Okay, got the messy bun down, and now we are ready to start in hairstyle number 1. So for this look, you're gonna need 3 ponytails. I'm using light blue because it's a nice contrast to my hair, but you can use a black one, match your hair, blonde if that matches you. Whatever you wanna do, it's up to you. We're getting really focused on the ponytail choice. It doesn't matter. So to start the look, you're gonna take your hair and pull it all to one side, and you're just gonna form a really sleek, low ponytail to the side. Next, what you're gonna do is take that second elastic and you're gonna tie it around the ponytail a few inches down from that first elastic. So it should look something like this, and it looks kind of weird, but don't worry, we're gonna pull it all together in a second. Now you're gonna take that third elastic and you're gonna do the same thing, just a few inches down from the second elastic and tie it off again. So your ponytail should be looking something like this. You got a little art project going on your head. To really tie it all together, what you're gonna do is take each section of hair in between the elastics and pull it out. First I kind of pull side to side, and then you can kind of tug it out a little bit at the back. Just kind of play around with it until you get a look that you like. I like how this is looking, so I'm gonna take my hands off before I ruin it. And this is the final result, a cute bubble ponytail with colored elastics. I think it came out super cute, and if you have longer hair, you can add in more elastics for more sections. It's just an easy way to add a little cuteness to that low effort side ponytail and really just up your look. It's so super cute. I love this look. And on to look number 2. Okay, so to start out hairstyle number 2, we're just gonna throw our hair up into a super high fanned out bun. For me, I'm thinking that I'm gonna leave some bang pieces out, so I'm just gonna section that out first and then put the rest up. Okay, so here's our bun to start with, and I tied it off with 2 elastics just to make sure it's super tight and not going anywhere. You don't want any bun slippage, not today. Now to accessorize this bun and get it looking just a bit cuter, we're gonna be using one of my favorite accessories, the ponytail scarf. It's so cute. I got this one at Anthropologie, so it's obviously super overpriced, but I'll definitely link down some from Amazon that are better priced and super cute so that you can get in on this look. Join the ponytail scarf club. So what you're gonna do with this little guy is you're gonna slide this ponytail over your bun with the knot in the back. Try not to crush your bun in the process, but there we go, just like that. So now you've got these 2 little scarf tails hanging out the side, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring them across the front and just tie them once over each other, like this. Just bring them, just carefully, don't mess up your hair. You're gonna pull it on through and then tie it, like that. If your bun got a little messed up in the process, you could just reshape it, throw another elastic over it if you need to just keep things nice and secure. But this is the look, this little like scarf bun little situation, and I think it's so cute. I mean, come on, doesn't this look like the chicest, like you just want to go out on a boat and just, hi guys, I've arrived. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Okay, let's move on to the next look. Okay, so for look number 3, you're gonna want to just make a super high ponytail at the top of your head and leave some bangs out like I have right here. So for me, I'm kind of halfway there, so I'm just gonna turn my bun into a high pony and then we'll continue. I'm gonna tie this one off again with just 2 black elastics, but you can use a scrunchie or whatever you want. Once you got your ponytail up top and your bangs out in the front, what you're gonna do is just pull that ponytail, give it some nice volume. A big issue with ponytails is that it only looks cute from like the back or the sides, and from the front you kind of look bald. So pulling it out to the sides helps you see it from the front, and all angles look good. Okay, so honestly you can leave your hair just looking like this because it's super cute, but I'm gonna add an accessory just to make it that much cuter. I'm using these rhinestone clips to just pin my bangs back. It's gonna be a whole 90s vibe. You're gonna see. I'll have a link for these clips in the description box below so you can get your hands on them and we'll match. It'll be cute. Okay, so what you're gonna do with the clip is you're gonna just pop it open, and then you're gonna smooth down the top of your bangs, flatten it out, and then you're just gonna slide the clip. You're gonna slide the clip up into the top of it, around here, around like by your temples, and you're just gonna clamp it down. Okay, that's one side done. Now grab the other clip and just repeat on the other side. Just kind of make sure They're even, lined up, and there we go. There's our cute little rhinestone clip high pony look. Isn't it like so 90s, so like 90s pop star? I don't know why, I'm just getting those vibes. You can keep the bangs out, tuck them behind your ears so they kind of like flow into the rest of the ponytail. Honestly, I feel like this look would be a lot cuter if I didn't have these earrings in. Let me grab them out. Yeah, it was too much going on with the earrings too, but you get the idea. I think it's super cute. Let me put my earrings back in and we'll move on to the next hairstyle. Okay, hairstyle number 4 I'm super excited about because it uses one of my absolute favorite accessories, and I've talked about this before, the Madison Braids braid headbands. I actually talked about this headband in my time-saving hair tools video, which I'll have linked up right there. This is the one that I showed in that video, just the regular 2-strand, and now I've expanded the collection. I also have this butterfly one. It's just a 2-strand braid with like a mini braid going through it. And then the newest one that I've got is this fishtail, which I'm obsessed with. This is the one we're gonna use today. I'm gonna show you the look, I'll show you how cute it looks in, and then I'm gonna share with you my promo code so you can save money on getting your own Madison Braids. Get ready for it. Saving that money today. Okay, so for the hair, I think I'm just gonna keep it pretty simple and put it into a low bun, maybe a little bit to the side so it shows from the front too, and of course, double black elastic to keep it nice and tight and in place. This is what the bun looks like. You can kind of just pull it out, get it a little messy looking, and I always like to pull out some front pieces. It's just my thing. I'm sorry, I can't stop it. Okay, so now we're ready for the Madison Braid headband, and it's adjustable. So what I like to do is just open it up nice and wide so I can slip it over my head without messing up what I already got going on. So you're just gonna put it on like that. And then I'm gonna carefully just pull it over to those front pieces that I pulled out. Just kind of holding it in place while I situate it and get it looking how I want it to look. And then I'm gonna go to the back and actually just tighten it so it stays. Now I'm just gonna pull out some more hair because I can't stop myself. And there we go. How cute does that look? I mean, just like a stupid whatever bun that I threw back, but this headband elevates it, makes it look like I put a ton of effort in when you just watched, I put 0 in. And doesn't it match my hair like absolutely perfectly? I'm honestly shook. I don't even use that word, but I'm shook. This is in the shade brunette, but I just DM'd them on Instagram and they told me what color it was, and boom, easy as that. It's so cute. Honestly, every time I wear this, I get tons of compliments. My sister borrows it because she has the same color hair as me and she gets compliments every time. Oh, it's so cute. But like I said, this is only one style. I have 3 right here. They have tons more on the website. And if you've been waiting for that promo code super patiently, I'll let you know what it is right now. I'll put it on the screen right here, ByStephieNics 15. Use that at checkout on MadisonBraids.com and you will save 15% off your entire order. And this, you can use this as many times as you want. So you can buy a braid for yourself, buy a braid for your sister, buy a braid for your friend, buy another braid for yourself. I'm gonna warn you now, it's addicting. You won't stop. It's a good addiction though. Ah, that's adorable. Okay, but we gotta move on to hairstyle number 5, our 5th and final hairstyle. Let's go. Yay, bye braid. Okay, so this is the final hairstyle and I'm so obsessed with this one. It is so cute. Ah, I'm so excited to show you guys. Okay, so you're gonna start off the look by making a side ponytail. So just put your hair all to one side and then you're gonna tie it off with your double elastic. There we go, nice and tight. Again, totally your choice, but I wanna keep one piece of hair out on the opposite side of my little ponytail, and that's just what I'm doing today, okay? Okay, so now once you got your ponytail like that, we're gonna add in the accessory. We are doing this cute little square silk scarf. I love the colors, I love the print, I just love everything about this scarf, and we're gonna have some fun with it today. Okay, so what we're gonna do with the scarf is grab 2 opposite corners diagonally across from each other, and you're gonna fold it into like a triangle, just like this. Okay? Holding the 2 corners together up top, you're just gonna fold it, and I can't really show you up in the air. You're gonna kind of just like fold it over itself until you have like a nice long ribbon scarf. I'll show you. It's definitely easier when it's flat down, so I did this on my lap, but just to finish it off, you're just gonna keep rolling the scarf onto itself until it's like a nice long together piece like this. I hope that made sense. Now what you're gonna do with this little like scarf wrap thing that we just made is you're gonna take it, find kind of the center, put it over the elastic of your ponytail and kind of retie your pony now using this scarf. So you're gonna keep the flat front and then kind of just knot it over itself one time in the back. Like that. and then you have 2 pieces hanging out. Pretty similar to what we did with the bun before, but this you're making yourself with a scarf. Now again, honestly, this looks pretty cute. You could leave it like this. We're gonna take it one step further and we're gonna braid the pieces of scarf into a braid with our hair. Yeah. So what you're gonna do, and let me just throw the pieces of the scarf to the back just so you can see a little more clearly. You're gonna split your ponytail into 3 sections so that you can do a 3-strand braid. So we've got our 3 sections right there, and now we're gonna bring the pieces of scarf back to the front because we're gonna use the scarf as part of the outer 2 sections, right? So we have hair scarf, hair, hair scarf. And now what you're gonna do, as crazy as this looks, we're gonna braid it all together. Just super simply, a nice, easy 3-strand braid using the scarf along with our hair. Braid it on down, and my mirror is not visible, and you can see the look taking shape. How cute does that look? Oh my god. When you get to the bottom, obviously just take another black elastic, can't live without him, and just tie it off. I love how the scarf is a little longer than my hair and sticks out like that, and I can just kind of go through, pull it apart a little bit, thicken it up. The scarf kind of twisted at the top, you can just shift it back around so that the knot is in the back. I'm gonna pull my hair kind of in front of the scarf pieces at the bottom. And here we go. How cute is that? It looks super complicated, but it honestly wasn't that bad. It took a few steps, but we got there together. Once you get the concept down and you know what you're doing, it really takes a minute to pull it together, and it's super cute. Okay, there we go. That's look 5 of 5. If you guys enjoyed learning these 5 cute and easy spring and summer hairstyles, definitely scroll down and leave a big like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. And while you're down there, if there are any other hair videos that you'd like to request, any hairstyles you want to learn, definitely leave a comment letting me know. I could totally do that for you. I love requests. And of course, if you had fun and you want to hang out with me some more, I'd totally love to. You can join the ByStephieNics fam by hitting the big red subscribe button and ringing the bell right next to it to get notifications of all my future videos. That's the way to do it. Yes. I hope you're all doing great out there, and I really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much again, and as always, this is ByStephieNics.